Hot seat. So where do you all think he's from?
Bay Area. Bay Area.
Sounds like we have a Bay Area consensus.
Northwest.
Portland or Washington?
Yeah, I think Bay.
Michigan.
Grew up in Michigan. He went
Michigan.
to school on the East Coast somewhere. He worked at Apple or some other tech place.
You're just jumping the gun? You just decided to fuck the process?
Wait, I thought,
Just
where is he from? Michigan.
and kiss.
Hold on.
I think he's from Maine.
Ooh, yeah, I like that guess. I like that.
Massachusetts.
Nope.
But not Boston, like
Definitely not.
No.
like
Not a
somewhere
Boston,
like out.
Massachusetts.
I think. I can't say.
Yes.
No, because I realize I can't guess because I know. Yeah.
All up in here.
Okay, what industry do you think he came from? Sounds like it's
Consulting tech.
consulting tech.
Broadway. Like Bain, San Francisco.
I think he was a chef, a professional chef.
He was total
He's not that good.
career critic on
No,
Zagat.
that's on the bottom line of his resume.
He's Zagat
Loves to
and
cook.
Dio.
Loves to cook for 20 or more people.
What industry? I mean, sorry, what program?
Princeton.
Triple M. Triple M.
Triple M.
Triple M.
Where they go to college?
Not yet, I'll get there.
Okay.
2Y.
Triple M. What undergrad?
Princeton.
Harvard.
Skidmore.
Swarthmore.
Swarthmore. Good call.
Dartmouth.
Okay.
University of Mississippi for sure.
And what was the last one? Have I hit them all? And
Marital status.
And marital status.
Single.
Okay.
Dating.
Is the person that he's dating on this trip?
Negative.
Okay. Karen, would you like to address people? This is so